Nestled in the heart of Hoi An, East-West Villa 4 Stars Hotel offers a tranquil retreat for travelers seeking comfort and elegance. Our strategically located property provides easy access to major attractions, including the Assembly Hall of Chaozhou Chinese Congregation and Hoi An Historic Museum. Da Nang International Airport is also within reach, with a scenic drive of just 24 kilometers. Our beautifully appointed rooms are designed to ensure a restful stay, featuring air-conditioned comfort, tiled flooring, and an ensuite bathroom with bathtub and shower facility. Each room comes equipped with a flat-screen cable TV, seating area, in-room safe, and minibar. Guests can also enjoy the convenience of free Wi-Fi access throughout our public areas. Unwind in our lush green gardens or take a refreshing dip in our outdoor pool. Our restaurant serves an exquisite selection of local dishes, while our bar offers a range of drinks to satisfy any craving. For added convenience, room service is available, and special diet meals can be prepared upon request. At East-West Villa, we pride ourselves on exceptional service. Our friendly staff are happy to assist with laundry and dry cleaning services, as well as arrange airport transfers. Guests also enjoy access to a common lounge area, library, and games room, providing ample opportunities for relaxation and entertainment. Whether you're here to soak up the sun on Hoi An's beautiful beaches or explore the city's vibrant shopping scene, Chaozhou is an ideal choice for travelers seeking a relaxing getaway.